Hi, I'm Ross Waters. I'm president of CGIS in Vancouver, Canada. Today I'm going to introduce some of you to the Adams triple offset. The first triple offset ever patented was patented in 1960 in Germany. So the first design feature, and the most important of how the valve works, is the metal laminated seat. It's a laminate of metal, which is a stainless steel with an alloy of titanium to give it its springiness and elasticity and memory, very importantly, and then graphite. So a layer of graphite, a layer of metal, graphite, metal, graphite, metal. The number of laminates is dependent on the size and the class, but in all cases that I've ever seen, Adams has more laminations than anybody else. And each actual stainless steel laminate is a seat unto itself. Now, importantly to understand, this is a torque seated design. And because of the triple offset, which we're going to see in a minute how it works, the camming action of the disc as it comes into the seat puts torque onto the seat assembly and creates this extremely tight shutoff. Better than API 598 metal seated, it's zero leakage. It's better than class 5, better than class 6. There is no leakage in the Adams valve, so it has no class in that sense. It is beyond FCI 70.2. The laminates themselves now, again, have been moved from the original patent in the disc to the body where they're in a protected position. And so they last far longer in service than they did in the original patent in 1960. Another great feature of the Adams valve is the use of nie-resist bearings. The bearings that Adams used in their valve are supporting the stem both top and bottom of the disc, and they're designed in such a way they never need maintenance, they never need any kind of lubrication. They are self-lubricious. They're perfect for the application that the original patent was after, which is steam. Up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect, will never need replacement, and it'll be there for the life of the valve. So the Adams design is built with 4 different body configurations. We're showing you the double flange, which is part of API 609. It is also available in a single flange or a lug version if you like. We have a replacement for competition of the wedge gates where they don't work so well, but they have a wider face-to-face. So Adams has designed a gate valve face-to-face double flange unit. And on top of all that, we have a weld end valve, so we can weld it directly to the pipe without flanges. Now we'll review some of those applications that Adams are excellent in. LNG, hydrocarbon processing, liquid storage terminals, particularly oil terminals, pulp and paper, power generation, including hydroelectric, water treatment, steam in any process is probably the first place you want to try an Adams. And finally, process water. So this has been a look at the Adams MAK isolation valve, the triple offset, the world's first, and in our opinion, the world's best, because they continue to refine the design, and now in generation 4, while the rest of the plant is still in generation 1.